Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Climate Air Plus webinar. This webinar is about our new solution and it's designed for temperature and humidity monitoring. I am Alano and I'm product specialist at NOVUS, and we'll talk together about this new launch today. Just to make sure if there's anyone, can you hear me okay? How is the sound? Hello, Cast Data Loggers. I don't know if it's Terry or who is there. Hello, Guilherme. Can you hear me? Just if Guilherme or Claudio. Yes, perfect. Okay, thanks, Felipe. All right. Okay, just to stay updated about our product launches, you can follow us on our social media. You'll find all the links in the video description with more details about the products we'll be discussing today. Just wait a few minutes if we. Oh, it's you, Terry. Nice to see you. Okay, let's start. We know that one of biggest challenges in industries requiring temperature and humidity control is ensuring proper storage of raw materials and products, always complying with the regulations. To achieve this, monitoring must be accurate, reliable, and continuous. The first major challenge is measurement accuracy. Not all sensors are created equal. If recorded values aren't precise, product quality can be compromised. Also, sensor must be calibrated and have a valid certifications to ensure compliance with industry. Another key factor is continuous monitoring, relying on manual records or unreliable systems can lead to errors in reports and even product losses due to missing data. So, and we all know that means financial losses too. Beyond technical and regulatory challenges, cost is another important factor. It's not always feasible to replace the entire system uh, just to adopt a new solution. The ideal setup should be flexible, allowing for seamless integration with existing infrastructure without complications or extra costs. That's why we developed our Climate Air Plus solution, a solution that brings together two innovative products, RHT Air Plus and AirGate Air Plus. Let's see more details about these two products. RHT Air Plus is a temperature and humidity sensor that records and stores collected data in its internal memory. Then it transmits this information to the AirGate Air Plus, which stores, processes, and sends the data online to a cloud platform or SCADA system. These devices communicate via radio frequency, ensuring a stable connection even in environments with physical obstacles. The range reaches up to 3 kilometers in an open field. Even when products are constantly moving, the connection remains uninterrupted. Both devices can store data for up to 50 days within a 5 minutes publishing interval, ensuring that even in extreme situations like power outages, your data remains safe. RHC Air Plus operates on a non rechargeable internal battery, but it can also be powered by via a USB-C port with 5 voltage uh, power source. AirGate Air Plus requires an external power supply and can receive data from up to 32 RHT Air Plus sensors, enabling the creation of precise and secure monitoring zones. Additionally, the AirGate Air Plus can connect via Wi-Fi or wired connection through the Ethernet port, depending on the most convenient option. It supports standard protocols such as MQTT and Modbus TCP, making integration with any monitoring platform easy. Climate Air Plus solution is accurate, secure, and scalable solution. And that's it for now. I we have reached the Q&A section. Now it's time to for you to make your questions. Let's check our chat. Yeah, Marco, 3 kilometers, 1.9 miles. Thanks, Marco. Any question on chat? Just remember, you can find links on the Novus website in the video description, and you will get more details about our products. While we are waiting for the questions, let's explore a little more some points. Secure communication. When we talk about secure communication, we mean message encryption. Since communication happens via radio, any device on this same frequency and channel will be able to read this message. However, with each message on this solution, each message has a protected with a security key, meaning only the receiving device with the correct code can read it. Only the AirGate Air Plus master of the specific RHT Air Plus can read this message, because this device has the key to read the message. In other words, if there is another different device on network, this device probably will read the message on radio, but it won't be able to interpret this message, because you need a key to read the message, and only the master has this option, this key to read. So once devices is paired, they establish a secure connection and communicate exclusively within their radio network. Live battery. Our device is battery powered, lasting 2 years with 10 minutes of publishing interval. If the interval is extended, like battery life can reach up to 2.5 or 3 years. Like if you have a 15 minutes of publishing interval, so you have more battery. What protocol? What protocol is used for communication between the RHT and AirGate? So it's a Novus proprietary protocol, Terry. We have our own protocol to run over the LoRa frequency. Is the RHT Air Plus replaceable? Can it be calibrated separate? Yes. I mean the probe, the sensor, you can calibrate only the sensor, and you don't need to calibrate the whole system. The sensor has its own electronic, so meaning that if gets, for example, gets damaged, it can easily replaced can be easily replaced without changing the entire device. So we can buy another probe from Novus, even with the calibration certificate, then ready to install in your device. Can I use my own system, or I have to use Novus software? No, you can. Yes, you can use your own system. You don't need to use only Novus Cloud, as it has MQTT and Modbus TCP. You can integrate in your system if you have already some system. So not possible to use other with other LoRa gateways. No, it's not possible, Terry. We developed the solution with LoRa frequency, but we have our own protocol to make due to security purpose, so we can keep under our control uh, the 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 messages and all things about the solution, the communication between the RHT Air Plus and the AirGate Air Plus solution. Do they keep data saved in every device, either transmitter or gateway? Yes. We have memory in both devices. We have memory in the gateway, and also we have memory on the sensor. So the sensor is actually reading the temperature and humidity values, and then saving in its memory, and then the device RHT Air Plus send the message to the AirGate Air Plus. You have memory on both devices just in case you lose connection between them. The your data will be stored safely and the sensor on the sensor. Does Novus ship the product already calibrated? Yes, it's possible. You can ask for this when you order some products. You can order with the product the calibration. It's because we have accredited laboratory, so the calibration is compatible with another countries. So you can ask already the device with calibration. So devices have 3 years of warranty. You have a reliable and secure investment. So with these products, let's see if we have another questions. Yeah, just to afford it, we are always available for any further questions. Our website is already live, so feel free to explore it. How many sensors does the gateway supports? It supports up to 32 devices, 32 RHT Air Plus devices. you can. What is the temperature range of for using this solution package? Also, can I integrate it with the RHT Plus, with the older version of AirGate Plus, with some intermediate device for signal transmission? The first question is -10 to 70 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature range, operation temperature. And no, it's not possible to integrate to the old system because our old product is, which is AirGate Modbus. It uses different frequency. It uses at 2.4 gigs of frequency, so it's a different kind of physical communication. So no, it's not possible. We offer other transmitter for signal like 0 to 5 or 4 to 20. Yes, there we actually we are planning. It's not ready now for launch. We are starting for with RHT measurement, but we are planning to have another type of sensors for sure. It's for sure, definitely. But I have not a deadline to inform you. But we can talk after, no worries. Are the products already available for sale? Yes, we are just finishing some stuffs in the products, and it will be available from tomorrow. Also, you can ask us anytime about the solution. We have our commercial team that can help you. Uh, I guess that's it. So as we have no more questions for now, do you have a product literature and pricing? Yes, the price list is around 300 US dollar, and the literature, yes, in this website, the product website, we have the instruction manual, so I can send you later, Terry. I can send also the commercial flyer so you can have the material. All right. So I guess we can finish, and that's it. Thank you so much for to everyone who joined us today. And as I said, we are always available for any further questions. Thank you. Bye.